Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make garlic roasted potatoes. They're little potatoes. I can show you the size. This size. Okay, and you just cut them in half. If they're really bigger than this, you can maybe cut it into 4 pieces. And now we're going to put garlic paste and adobo on it, and then we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil and put it in the oven. This is my pan that I'm using, and I put some grapeseed oil in the bottom of the pan just to coat the pan for the sake of cleanup. Okay, alright, so let's get started. This is going to go in the regular oven on 400. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so here's our potatoes. I'd say maybe I want to say maybe 15 potatoes, somewhere around there or less. Okay, that part doesn't matter. And I washed them, and now we're just going to put them in the pan. And I'm going to put some adobo on them. And some black pepper. And this is the garlic paste. Okay, so you can either buy garlic paste or you can make garlic paste yourself. I'll show you how to make it one day. Okay, and if you don't have paste, it's okay. You can just take a garlic, cut up as fine as you can. If you have a Ninja, you can make it into a paste with that, with some oil. Okay, if you have a bullet, you can make it into a paste, or just cut it up as fine as you can if you don't have none of those. Okay, alright, so this is about, I would say, a clove and a half of garlic that I made into the paste. Okay, so now just gonna take and just mix that garlic paste onto all of the potatoes so that the flavor of garlic gets on all the potatoes, right? Okay, I think that'll do it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands 1 second. Give me a second. Okay, so now that we have our garlic paste on our adobo and pepper, this is grapeseed oil. I'm just going to sprinkle just a little on the top so it can have a little coating. Okay, now we're going to just cover that with aluminum foil. And we're going to cover it with aluminum foil until it gets 3/4 the way done. Then we'll take it off and let it get a good browning, okay, on the top. So I have the oven already on 400. So I'm thinking 20 minutes, and we'll check it in 20, okay? Alright, so they're going in the regular oven on 400 for 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, before we put it in the oven, let me give you the word of the day. And if you like the word of the day, hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I welcome all new subscribers, okay? Alright, and share the video. So the word of the day is cooking roasted potatoes. When you cut it up small, is a quick starch to cook because it doesn't take that long. The garlic gives it a nice punch of flavor, and I think all the family will enjoy it. That's the word of the day. That's my new thing lately, roasted garlic potatoes. I love it. Okay, and I wanted to just share that with you. Okay, so that's the new starch of the week. How about that word of the day? Okay, alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, our garlic roasted potatoes are out. Let's take a look. Oh. Okay, so let me plate that up. Okay, let me let you get a look at that. How about that, huh? And let me take a picture. Why not? How about that? Garlic roasted potatoes. And let me taste one. Let me get a small one, because they're hot. Ooh, it's hot. Mmm. Soft. Even the skin is soft. That garlic came right through. Great, great, great flavor. You should try that. I think that would be a nice delight on your table. Go ahead, give it a try. Okay, talk to you soon. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, would you? Alright, see you later. Subscribe.